Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manorama. In today's video we are going to solve 10 Python programming problems. Problem 1. Write a Python program to print hello world single quote dot hashtag solution print hello world quote output hello world. Problem 2. Write a program to check if a number is even or odd. Hashtag solution. Number equals int. Input. Enter a number. Quote. If number %2 equals 0. Print. Even. Else. Print. Odd. Output. Enter a number. 4. Even. Problem 3. Write a program to find the largest of three numbers. Hashtag solution. A, B, C equals map. Int. Input. Enter three numbers. Quote. Split. Largest equals max. A, B, C. Print. F. The largest number is largest. Output. Enter three numbers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 2, 3. The largest number is 45. Problem 4. Write a program to sum the first n natural numbers. Hashtag solution. N equals int. Input. Enter a number. Quote. Sum underscore n equals n asterisk. N plus 1. 2. Print. F. The sum of first n natural numbers is sum underscore n. Output. Enter a number. 5. The sum of first 5 natural numbers is 15. Problem 5. Write a program to print the multiplication table of a number. Hashtag solution. N equals int. Input. Enter a number. Quote. For I in range 1, 11. Print. F, n, x, I equals ni. Output. Enter a number. 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. Problem 6. Write a program to calculate the factorial of a number. Hashtag solution. N equals int. Input. Enter a number. Quote. Factorial equals 1. For I in range 1. N plus 1. Factorial asterisk equals I. Print. F. The factorial of n is factorial. Output. Enter a number. 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. Problem 7. Write a program to check if a number is prime. Hashtag solution. N equals int. Input. Enter a number. Single quote. Is underscore prime equals true. For I in range 2, n. If n% I equals 0. Is underscore prime equals false. Break. If is underscore prime and n greater than 1. Print. F, n, is a prime number. Else. Print. F, n, is not a prime number. Output. Enter a number. 7 is a prime number. Problem 8. Write a program to count the digits in a number. Hashtag solution. N equals int. Input. Enter a number. Quote. Count equals 0. While n greater than 0. N equals 10. Count plus equals 1. Print. F. Number of digits. Count. Output. Enter a number. 12,345. Number of digits. 5. Problem 9. Write a program to print the Fibonacci series up to n terms. Hashtag solution. N equals int. Input. Enter the number of terms. Quote. A, B equals 0, 1. For underscore in range n. Print. A, end equals A, B equals B. A plus B. Output. Enter the number of terms, 5. 01123. Problem 10. Write a program to check if a string is a palindrome. Hashtag solution. String equals input. Enter a string. Quote. If string equals string. -1. Print. F, string, is a palindrome. Else. Print. F, string, is not a palindrome. Output. Enter a string. Reska is a palindrome. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.